What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are filming on the GoPro today because both of my cameras are dead. So if I end up liking it, then you guys are seeing this video right now, and if I don't, then yeah, you guys will never see this. So we'll see how it turns out when I'm editing. But today we've got a video that I've been wanting to do for a little bit. I've officially owned this car for a year now, so I wanted to do a review on my 2020 STI and how it's been daily driving this car for the last year. Now, before we do get started with today's video, I just wanted to ask you guys for a small little favor. Please remember to subscribe to the channel down below and make sure to give the video a big old thumbs up if you enjoy the video. We're so close to 8,000 subs. I really want to try and get there before the end of the year. We're only 600 subscribers away. And yeah, a small little YouTube channel like me, every single sub, every single view, every single thumbs up does really mean a lot to me. It makes a big difference. And this car content is honestly not cheap. You know, I've honestly thought about potentially getting rid of the STI, which I would absolutely hate to do. It is a pretty big expense for me a month, but I know you guys love the car, you guys love the content, you love the videos. I want to keep continuing to grow my YouTube channel with this car, and I want you guys to continue to watch my videos with this car. So, you know, I've decided I want to keep it because I don't want to give up. I want to keep growing this YouTube channel and chase my dreams. So if you guys just want to go ahead and subscribe and show me some support, I really appreciate it. But anyways, enough with the annoying YouTube stuff. Let's get started with the actual video. Is this car a good daily driver? In my opinion, I absolutely love daily driving this car. For me, being a car guy, for me liking this type of car, what is not to like? It's fun to drive, it feels amazing, it sounds great, it has a great all-wheel drive system. It has the practicality of a sedan. You have great cargo space, you have great space for your passengers in the back seat, in the front. Now, this car isn't the most practical car to daily drive either. It doesn't get the best gas mileage. People will argue that maybe it's not the most reliable, but for me personally, I love daily driving this car. It is an absolute joy to drive this car every single day, no doubt about it. When you think of a good daily driver, STI or WRX, they do not pop up on the top of anyone's list whatsoever. When you think of a good daily driver, you think of Accord, you think of Camry or Corolla, you think of something that is reliable, good on gas, comfortable, easy to maintain. The STI doesn't really fall into any of those categories, but 99% of the people watching this, I mean, you're watching this video because you either own one of these cars or you're looking to buy one. Most people watching this video, if you don't have one yet, you want one and you just want to see, you know, can you daily drive this car without absolutely hating it? And, you know, that's what I'm basically answering for you guys today. And I say, yes, you can. There's absolutely nothing that you're going to hate about this car. If you like this type of car, then you're going to love driving it every day. You might get annoyed with how often you have to fill the car up because it gets the same gas mileage as an F-150. It does have a bit of a firm suspension, but nothing too crazy. I personally like it. I think it feels great, especially when I go on a nice, you know, drive on a back road on the weekend, good weather. I take it for a drive and have some fun. The car feels absolutely amazing. When it comes to WRX versus STI, the WRX is definitely the better daily driver. The WRX has more comfortable, more soft suspension. It is way better on gas mileage. But, you know, are these cars good daily drivers? Absolutely. Me personally, I don't have any complaints. Now, like I said, it has the practicality of a sedan. It's all-wheel drive, so if you have bad weather in your area, no problem. The interior I absolutely love. I love the seats. I love the infotainment system. I love the speakers. They're not the best, but they're not the worst. They get the job done. So overall, I don't really have any complaints with this car. I'm daily driving it for 1 year, and you know, there's not another car that I would rather say I wish I had gotten or anything like that. But like I said, again, this car is not for everybody. You know, the people that want this car, you know, it's because you like this type of car. My dad would definitely not enjoy daily driving this car every single day. He's 55. He doesn't want to be driving a stick shift, a car that's, you know, pretty stiff. He wants to drive something that's comfortable, something that, you know, gets great gas mileage. He doesn't want this type of car. Me, I'm young, I like this type of car, this is what I enjoy driving, and you know, if you're looking into this car, then I'm sure this is the type of car you like as well. You're probably a car enthusiast and you're gonna love driving this car every single day as well. So yeah, I mean, I wanted to keep it really short, simple, to the point. Is this car a good daily driver? I've had a WRX in the past as well. I think both WRX and STI make great daily drivers. They're both very fun, they get the job done, they get you from point A to point B, and I don't think you'll have any complaints whatsoever. But anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, show the channel some support, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.